This is my unknown callers list on my iPhone. And I don't know why, but for some reason, even when they're unknown, it shows a phone number. A lot of people report it saying no caller ID, unknown caller, but mine always shows a phone number, even when it says unknown sometimes for the location. Hold on, let me find one. This one right here is showing unknown for the location, but it still shows the phone number. To see this list of unknown numbers, click on this icon up here. Make sure you're on Classic and on Unknown Callers. If you go to the Calls tab, it'll just show all the actual calls from your contacts or numbers that aren't unknown or don't look like spam. The Unknown Callers list is this one right here. So if a number does show, or if it doesn't show a number at all, it just says no caller ID, unknown number, this is how you can possibly find out what that number is. So the first thing you want to do is tap on this little eye icon. Let's pretend there's no number here. It'll just say unknown or no caller ID. You can sometimes tap and hold where it says no caller ID and then press copy and then come back out and go to the keypad, tap and hold up here and then paste, and it pastes in their number. Obviously it does for me right now because it had a number for that unknown caller. But this sometimes works when there is no caller ID set and no number listed. You can also, if there's a call that just came in from an unknown number, I want to delete this. There we go. You can call *69, and that's going to call the number back that just called you. Or it's going to redial the number that you just dialed. One of those two, depending on what your situation is. But if the unknown caller called a while ago, this method isn't going to work. If neither of those two methods work, you can try an app. Go to the App Store, go to search for Truecaller, and then search. And this app right here is going to try to identify the numbers that called you. And this works quite well. I use it sometimes, but most of the times the numbers appear on my list, so I don't really need to, but for some people it doesn't. And this can work for them. So you can try that app out. It's free, or at least the free version works really well. If that doesn't work either, though, there's another thing you can do. You can go to Safari and look for the call logs from your cell phone carrier. So you type in the name of your cell phone carrier. Let's say it's Verizon. Type in Verizon call logs and then go. And then right here it shows that you can log into your Verizon account and go to bill and payment history, and then you can see your call logs. And you can do this for pretty much all cell phone carriers. And those call logs, they show the actual numbers because there have to be numbers that people are calling from or spammers are calling from. So those will be in the call logs pretty much every time. But this is also the most cumbersome method. So if the other methods don't work, then this one will be your last resort. And hopefully this one helps you ID that phone number. If you want to prevent your iPhone from tracking you, this is the video you want to watch. I go through 7 or 8 different sets of settings that allow your iPhone to track a lot of different things about you, including how long you're washing your hands. It's super weird, but your iPhone tracks it by default. So check out this video next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.